Welcome back everybody. I'm Kalani and this is the Ukulele Club channel. In this video I'm giving you a look and listen to this Enya tenor. It's a cutaway, it's got a low G on it, and it's made of mango wood. Beautiful, beautiful wood. I'll give you a closer look in a minute. Right now, let's give it a listen. I'm gonna switch mics to this one and I'll go through my ukulele listening procedure, which starts like this, just hanging it straight down. So let's do that. Okay, let's take a look at the face. You can see the wood is gorgeous. Mango wood, also the finish is lacquered. Very smooth. The back is butterflied grain, but still kind of got an organic look to it. A little off, you know, it's not perfectly symmetrical, which I kind of like. You can see the neck has some kind of inlay in it, as well as the fret markers, which are these nice little, looks like jasmine flowers or, you know, star-shaped flowers. The head is all the tuners on top. It's got kind of a modern sculpted look. Tuners in the back. I believe most Enyas, at least this one, has a QR code. You can get lessons. You scan that and it takes you to some links. End pins on the neck and the back, kind of convenient. You can see here that there's some mother of pearl or faux mother of pearl. Let me show you the inside real quick. I'll leave the particular model information down in the description. All right. So I like this ukulele. I bought this from a friend of mine who got it, and he wanted the electric version. This is not electric, it's pure acoustic. He wanted to get one that could plug in, which I like too, but I have some tenors that I can plug in, so I got a deal on this one. And it's just a nice ukulele. This is my ukulele that I would pack up, take with me on a trip. I don't really worry about it that much. It's not particularly rare. It sounds great. It stays in tune. It's, you know, it's solid. I like the aesthetics. I like the sound. Is it the, you know, is it the best sounding ukulele that I have that's a tenor low G? No. And that's okay. It's a really good sounding ukulele, really nice. And it's just, I'm not afraid to take it out of the house like I am some of my other ones that I don't take them on trips. Let me put it that way. So if you're looking for, you know, a nice, good sounding, aesthetically pleasing, well-built, staying in tune type ukulele, I would check this one out. Again, it's by Enya, and they make a lot of different ukuleles, so I would just go check out Enya Ukulele if you're interested in this. If you guys have a similar ukulele, whether it's this model or something, you know, similar, leave it in the comments. Leave your questions there. Maybe somebody has the answer. But certainly these days you can find out a lot of information yourself, especially just basic information about instruments. I'm going to play it a little bit more with a good mic, and we will wrap up shortly. All right. This is the Ukulele Club channel. I'm Kalani. This has been a look and listen at an Enya tenor mango wood ukulele. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, give the video a thumbs up, like it, subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notifications. And enjoy playing your ukulele, whichever one it is. I hope this has been helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching.